Hey guys, I'm back here in my tiny closet where I can actually touch the ceiling, and we're going to walk through how to hand tape an angle. So I have my mud here. For angles, you definitely want to run it a little bit thinner than what you've been doing with your flats. And the reason I'm doing this is when it's thinner, I can get the tape tighter and wipe flatter, and then hence have a sharper angle. When you're hand taping angles, it's really easy to round them out and to not get your tape in there cleanly. So thinner mud definitely works. And as you can see, it's actually a pretty loose mud. And I'm using paper tape, 2 sides to this tape. Crease side is going to go inside the wall, and the non-crease side is out. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put mud in my angle. I'm going to go all the way into the entire angle. And then I'm going to get my tape. I'm going to go ahead and pre-crease it. Just makes it so much easier. And then I'm going to throw it in there, push it, kind of get an estimate for where I want it to end. Actually, it's a little too long. And the reason I'm cutting this back is there's corner bead that's going to come right in here, and I don't want it to be too long. And now I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of gently push it in there. That way it doesn't move on me and it stays in there tight. And then I'm going to start wiping my tape down. And when I'm wiping, I'm taking the point of my knife all the way into the center of the angle here. And then this one's all done. And then I'm going to come and I'm going to do the other parts. So it's going to be the same thing again. We're going to have our mud all the way into the angle. And don't skimp on the mud. If you want a decent amount in there, it's not going to hurt anything to have too much mud. And I'm not going to take this one all the way. You guys get the point. We're going to just, if you're doing this, you're going to take it all the way to the end down here. Have this, fold it, throw it in. And then I'm going to have it coming all the way into right here. So these actually are overlapping. So here's my other tape right here, and then this tape is overlapping over the top. And then we're just going to push in, and the same thing again, wipe tight. If I don't wipe tight, like say I just wipe like this, and just kind of loosely wipe, or just kind of wipe on the outside, it's going to be rounded. And I don't know if you guys can tell that, but that's already rounded. So make sure it's in there crisply. Because you'll thank yourself later when you go back to coat if your angle's not rounded out and it's nice and tight. And then if I was doing this part right here, same thing, come in tight, it's going to overlap on that, it's going to overlap on that. It's going to make a nice crisp corner, and then once it's dry you can come back and coat these tapes, and that's it. How to hand tape an angle.